Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will show you how we can install dlib on a Mac machine. It is a good practice to create a separate virtual environment when we are working any Python project. So we will also create a separate virtual environment, and inside that I will show you how we can install dlib. And for that you should have Python installed in your system. If you have not installed Python, then I have created a separate video for that, and you can find the link of that video in the description below, and by referring that video you can install Python successfully. Now let's start the installation process for dlib. So first I will create the virtual environment. So I will say Python 3. So before that I will go to the location where I want to create that virtual environment. So I want to create this into the downloads folder. So I will go inside the downloads, and here I will run that command python 3 space -m venv and the virtual environment name. So let's say we want to create the environment with this dlib install. So if I show you in the downloads folder, this particular folder will be created, which we have given the name of the virtual environment. Now I will activate this virtual environment. So I will source one file which is present inside this folder, which is inside the dlib install and the bin folder. So the file name is activate. So I will activate this particular virtual environment. So as you can see, dlib install is written here within brackets. So it means this particular environment is activated currently. Now in order to install dlib, first we will have to install cmake, because dlib is heavily dependent on cmac. So first we will install cmac by running this command pip install cmac. So the cmac is successfully installed now. Now we will install one more package, which is wheel, because sometimes what happens is when we install dlib, it enters into an infinite loop and the installation process goes on forever. So to avoid that situation, first we will install wheel as well. So I will say pip install wheel. So this is also installed successfully. Now at last we will install dlib by using this pip install dlib command. So this might take couple of seconds or rather couple of minutes here. So I will come back once it is installed successfully. Okay, so installation is finished now, and it took around 3 minutes for me. Now if we see using the pip list, so the cmake is installed, dlib is installed, and wheel is also installed. So that's all for this video. Still, if you face any issue, let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. As always, keep learning, keep supporting. See you in the another video.